Hello everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the problem of Dota 2 failed to create DX11. So let's get started. Now for the first method, you just need to go open Steam Launcher. After that, go to Library and select Collections. In the left menu, look for Dota 2. Now once you click on it, you just need to go to the gear icon in the right, select it, which is Manage. After that, select Properties. Now this will pop up. In the General section, go to Launch Options and make sure to type like this, -novid space dash, make sure to type DX11 and see if the method works. After that, go to the upside arrow, go to the Steam icon, right click and then select exit Steam. After that, open Dota 2 and see if that works. Now for the second method, go to installed files right here. After that, make sure to click on verify integrity of game files. You just wait for it to finish and any corrupted file will be fixed and the issue should be gone. And that's it. Just make sure this to finish. After that, go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.